So today we will solve a jam previous year question. This question is from OPAMP. It's a differential amplifier. This question came in jam 2023. Okay. So what they ask? They ask the value of R1 by R2 such that V0 is equal to V2 minus V1. Okay. So what you need to do? We just need to solve this problem by KCL and just need to compare the value and then we can get the R1 by R2. Okay. So we can do this problem by the two way. First one is the conventional KCL and then I will show you one shortcut way. In the KCL, what you need to do? First, we need to find out the voltage here. That means V plus. So this is a point A. So applying the KCL in point A, we will get. So in the KCL, in one of my KCL video, I already told you that the voltage in this point, the point A, that will be the max one. Why? If we consider this voltage a max, then all of the current will be outward. That means all the current sign will be positive. Okay. So let's apply KCL at point A. V plus minus V2 divided by R1 plus V plus minus 0 divided by R2 is equal to 0. By solving this equation, we will get V plus is equal to V2 multiplied by R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay. And you know, right, the virtual short, due to the virtual short, this point voltage will be same as this point. Okay. And this is the point B. So applying KCL at point B. So what we will get? We will get V plus minus V1 divided by R is plus V plus minus V0 divided by R is equal to 0. Okay. From here, just solve the equation V plus by R minus V1 by R plus V plus by R minus V0 by R. So R just it will be cancelled out. So it will be V0 is equal to 2V plus minus V1. Just put the value of V plus, but we will get 2 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V2 minus V1. Okay, so this is the data we get from the KCL. And here in the question, they told us V0 is equal to V2 minus V1. Okay, by comparing the coefficient of each term, so V1 you can see is okay. The coefficient here is what is equal to 1. So that means this value is equal to 1. That means I can write down 2R2 by R1 plus R2 is equal to 1. So from here we can easily get R1 by R2 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the one way of solving this problem, and the another way I will show you. The another way is very easy. Here they already told us V0 is equal to V2 minus V1. I need to compare with this one. Okay, let's see. We already know that in the superposition theorem, we need to consider one voltage source at a time, right? So let's think about that. Now I will not consider this one. So that means this will be ground. Okay, this will be 0. Then let's think. That means here the voltage is how much? This is the voltage divided by, so this voltage will be V2 multiplied by R2 by R2 plus R1. Okay. Now you can consider this circuit as a what we can write down? We can easily write down V is equal to 1 plus R2 by R1 multiplied by V, right? This is the non-inverting amplifier. That means V0 is equal to what? V0 is equal to 2 of V0. 2 of V. V0 is equal to 2 of V. Okay. So that means here I can write down V01 is equal to 2 multiplied by V2 multiplied by R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the one thing. Okay, now let's consider the second voltage source. Now let's think this voltage is 0. Okay, this voltage is 0 means this, all of this thing is 0 as there is no voltage source. Okay, now you can see this is just a inverting amplifier, and inverting amplifier, what is the formula? V02 is equal to minus of V1 into R by R, so it will be cut, so it will be minus of V1. Okay, so what is the V0? V0 is equal to 2 V2 R2 by R1 plus R2 minus V1. By comparing the coefficient, this 2R2 by R1 plus R2 is equal to 1. So R1 by R2 is equal to 1. As I just explained you the first time, and you are seeing the first time how to apply a superposition theorem in a OPAMP problem, maybe it will be little bit difficult for you to apply this kind of thing. But when you are just practicing this kind of thing, maybe 2 or 3 times, maybe then it will be very easy for you. Like for solving by this way, you need to calculate so much time. It will take so much time to calculate this one. And if one sign, if it's this sign just change, then maybe your answer will be wrong. Okay, but by calculating this way, it will be much easier for you and it will be much faster for you. Okay, so that's all for this video, and maybe in my next video I will come with a new problem. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching my video, and share this concept with your friend, and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.